Welcome to this video on micro-XRF analysis and the rapid stage for scanning electron microscopes. So, what exactly is a micro-XRF and a rapid stage? And how can they enhance the capabilities of an SEM? In this short video, I will introduce these products briefly and outline the potential benefits for your system. As you can see in these photos, the micro-XRF and the rapid stage are adaptable to most SEMs. In the schematic diagram, the micro-XRF is installed on a free port on the SEM chamber. Thus, the SEM is now a dual beam system. That is, the original electron beam and now X-ray beam. Importantly, independent of which source is used for analysis, or even simultaneously in some cases, only the one detector is required. In other words, the original SDD detector can be used in conjunction with the micro-XRF. No new detector is required. In addition, the rapid stage is inserted on top of the normal SEM stage to enable high-speed mapping amongst other features. So, what are the potential micro-XRF and rapid stage benefits? Well, lower detection limits down to about 10 ppm in some cases, detection of high-energy X-ray lines with a full spectrum range up to 40 keV, micrometer scale measurement over large areas. It's ideal for low kV or beam-sensitive samples, no charging effects, minimal sample preparation required, and fast elemental X-ray mapping over large areas which shows major, minor, and also trace elements on the ppm scale. The technical aspects of the micro-XRF and rapid stage, as well as an example highlighting these benefits, will be shown in a separate video.